Hello everyone. Do you have saved items on Facebook Marketplace and want to find them easily? I'll show you how to locate them step by step. First, open the Facebook app. If you have the Facebook Marketplace icon on the home page, tap on it. If not, use the search bar at the top and type Facebook Marketplace to access it. Once you're on the Marketplace page, look for the avatar icon. Click on it to access your Marketplace profile. The option we need is the first one, named Saved Items. Tap on it, and you'll see all the items you've saved earlier. Browse through your saved items, open any listing, or contact the seller directly. To remove an item from your saved list, just tap the three dots on the listing and then choose the Unsave option. Additionally, you can click on the three dots to share your saved listing with someone. If you simply click on the listing, it will open the listing details. And that's it. You now know how to access and manage your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. If you're unsure how to save items on Facebook Marketplace, check out our video tutorial on saving items available now on our channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more helpful tips.